Welcome back, guys. I'm here with AFsisterwigs again. Same packaging as usual, so let me go ahead and get into it. First thing that I'm seeing in the box, of course, is the wig. Then I got a rat tail comb, followed by a pack of pins. Also got an edge brush and comb, a pair of wig caps, and that's everything that came in the package. This is today's wig. This is AFsisterwigs, brand new. It's like a new reconstructed kinky edge Yaki straight bob. It's 12 inches long. The bob is, and the density, everything will be listed down below. The knots are already bleached on this lace. So bye knots lace, by the way. Super realistic looking. This is the inside of the cap. It has a total of 4 combs for security, adjustable elastic band, and adjustable straps in the back as well. So really nice, really nice Swiss lace. So easy to melt, you know, so I love that. It's already pre-plucked, of course, and this is how the edges look. All right, so with the previous kinky edge that they had, it was a little bit more fluffier. It was more dense in the front, not as natural looking. This, they made it their best to kind of tone down the density of the edges, and as you can see, it's definitely more minimalistic, more believable, and I prefer it like this. I'm just cutting away the excess lace around my ears, and I'm actually doing a glueless install today. I did opt to use some of my lace bond spray, which I kind of fast forwarded through because I'm always doing that. I'm always showing that on camera. The focus of today's wig installation, I really just wanted to show off this, you know, upgraded kinky edge that AFsister has available on their website now. Super happy I could get my hands on a wig like this. I know a lot of my girlies do opt, especially if you're not into wearing wigs like that, you want the most natural looking wig, and this could definitely be for you, especially if you prefer, like, you know, just more minimalistic looking type of hair or wig. You know, this is your wig. You don't have to fuss about, you know, trying to finesse your edges. None of that, because this lace, first of all, melts down so nicely. After I was done with applying the lace bond spray and it dried down here, I was just cutting away the excess, and it's really easy to melt, really easy to melt. So I absolutely love that. Look at the graduation with the edges. It is 10 out of 10, and it's a plus that the laces are bye knots, because you cannot really see the grids as easily. You literally have to like be down in somebody's head to see the lace, and I love that. So everything is definitely more realistic looking, so that is a solid upgrade. Pretty much I just move on to doing the usual, getting the top of my wig really flat with my wax stick and my hot comb, and then I'm gonna run thoroughly through the wig with my flat iron. As you can see, this is also a 1B color, so that adds to the natural vibe as well. But this hair gives, like, you know, when you have a fresh blowout, you know, it's so good. It's really believable, so I really love that. So this is it. That's how we're looking. Amazing. The body on this wig too, beautiful. It's just, it moves like butter. It is gorgeous. Once I run my flat iron through that and everything, look at that movement. Feeling myself. And I love the blunt cut as well. As I said, it's 12 inches long. The density is perfect as well. I'm gonna list everything down below, so please check my description box for all the details. And if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, that's also listed. I opted to go in with a little bit of my face powder to cancel any cast in the front there, as you can see. Get it nice and just muted, and everything looks really good. Let me know what you guys think. I'm definitely here for this upgrade from AFsisterwigs. They did their thing. Check out all the information, as I said, down below. But this is today's wig look. I hope you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumb up and stay tuned for my next video. That's it for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.